Today we're going to talk about solving proportions, and again we're going to have three methods to do this, and we're going to take a look at each method. The first method that we're going to look at is using unit rates, and as you can see on your worksheet we have a little story problem about oranges and how much they cost for 6 oranges, only we want to buy 8. So we need to find out how much it costs for 1 orange, and then we can multiply that by 8 to figure out how much it will cost for 8 oranges. So go ahead and put into your calculators $2.34 divided by 6 and tell me what you get for 1 orange, or what's the unit cost. You should have gotten 39 cents per orange. And so in order to find out how much it costs for 8 oranges, we're going to multiply 39 cents times 8, and we should get $3.12, and that's for 8 oranges. Okay, the second method that we're going to look at is using mental math, very similar to a common multiplier. And we're going to look at that first example. We have 8 over 10 equals x over 40. So what I'm going to look at is, what did I have to multiply 10 by to get 40? Well, I had to multiply by 4. So in order to find x, I'm also going to multiply 8 times 4. So I get x equals 32. In the second example, we're going to kind of work backward a little bit. I have x over 12 equals 21 over 36. Well, what did I divide 36 by to get 12? Well, I divided by 3. So I'm going to divide 21 by 3, and I get x equals 7. We usually use mental math with smaller proportions like this, ones that we can see easily. If we're getting into larger numbers, we'll probably use another method. And the last method we're going to talk about is cross products, and we've used cross products before when we were looking to see if ratios were proportional. And in this example, I have 25 over 38 equals 15 over x. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply, and I get 25x because I'm taking 25 times x, and I'm going to multiply 38 by 15, and I'm going to get 570. So in order to decide what 1x is, I have to divide both sides by 25. I'm showing a little division fraction bar here, and my x is going to equal 22.8. Okay, you're going to use this method with numbers that don't look easy to work with, or larger numbers, and you'll probably need your calculators when you're using this method, but it is a method that we'll use along with the other two methods to find a missing item from the proportion. Okay, as you can see on the back of your notes, you have 3 got it problems. The first got it problem, I want you to use the unit rate. You're going to find out how much 1 postcard costs, and then you'll multiply by that by 13 to figure out your total cost. On your second got it problem, I want you to use the mental math method. You need to figure out what is being multiplied to get to 55, and that's how you're going to solve for x using that same common multiplier. And your third got it problem, I want you to use cross products. You'll need to use a calculator. You're going to multiply 16 times 51 and 34 times x. Whatever number you get, you'll divide it by 34 to get your answers. Okay? You need to know how to do all 3 methods, because in your homework I'll be requiring you to use all 3 methods, and we'll do some more practice problems in class so that you get more comfortable using all three of these methods. Okay, good luck, and we'll talk about these tomorrow.